Hi everyone, welcome to the day 18 of our 24-day series of Microsoft Fabric. So today I'm going to start the another part of Microsoft Fabric training, which will be based on the real-time intelligence. So this video is the introduction video to the real-time intelligence, and in this video you will understand what real-time intelligence is in Microsoft Fabric and when to use it and how real-time data flows inside Fabric. So batch data. So batch data tells us what happened yesterday. So batch data, which is we are processing in batches, like we are doing the schedule refresh for a day, for an hour, for a 15-hour schedule, for a quarter of a day. So it will tell what happened to that particular period. But if we want to know what is happening right now, that's exactly what real-time intelligence is in Microsoft Fabric. Okay. So it solves the intelligence part of the real time, let's say the temperature change, the recent temperature hike, and the market trend for the stock market, and the uh, let's say air quality. These things, these we need a real time intelligence of these things. So real time intelligence helps us to ingest and process and analyze the streaming data with very low latency. Okay, latency means we will get the data and instantly we will get the report as well. So it will not take much time. So there will be very less delay in between getting the data processed and getting the report ready. Okay. So which type of data will comes as a like real time data or what we say it's not a batch, we can say it's right now the current real time data. So the website clicks will comes in the real time data, the IoT sensor data, app logs, then transactions. So the key difference between data engineering and real time intelligence will be the data engineering is a batch processing, but the real time intelligence will be streaming. Okay, so what it will be, it will be streaming. So what are the components which we have to create in the real-time intelligence? So first we will create a workspace which will be a real-time intelligence workspace. Okay, give me a second. Yeah. So in the real-time intelligence components, we have to have an event stream to capture the live events, then a KQL database which will store the real-time data. Then KQL. KQL is custom query language, which we are using. We can't use the SQL here. We have to use the custom query language to query the real-time data. Okay. And for visuals, we will be using the same Power BI. Okay. So throughout this series, we will use a real-time data, sample data from our fabric. So let's say we are using a sales event data or anything bicycle sales data or bicycle taken data. There is some kind of data is present. Okay. And then what we will do, we will transform it little bit and we will create reports. Okay. In our upcoming videos. So first of all, let's create a new workspace. So I'll click on the workspaces. We have our data science workspace here. So I'll just close this workspace. I'll not remove it. I'll just change the license info. I'll just edit. I'll remove the. Okay, leave it. As of now, it is in the free trial only. So we will just create another workspace. So the new workspace will be real time intelligence workspace. Okay. And here, this also I will keep it in the trial part. Okay, and apply. So my here trial is only 30 days left, 13 days. I will create my all videos here. Okay. Now, so we have created a workspace and here what we have to do. So, okay, let's keep it like this and I'll just create one event house folder and then event stream. Okay, so here I'll just keep my database. Let's create our database as well. Okay. So what I have to create will be KQL database. So it is KQL's query set event house. Yeah. So this is the event house database we have to create. I'll name it as event house underscore practice. Right. Okay. So this is the interface for the event house. Okay. Here I need to create a database, but as of now I have a database. Okay. But I don't have any tables because you know why? Because we don't have any streaming data right now. Okay. So we can use sample data. So sample data we will use in our another video. Okay, in our next video. So this is for the today because it was the introduction video. So thanks everyone. Thanks for joining today's session. We'll connect again in our next video. Thank you. Bye bye.